Do you sometimes get the feeling that you are becoming too engrossed in worldly activities and that your connection with Allah is fading? Are you unable to take a lot of time out to improve yourself as a Muslim so that you can attain a better place in the hereafter? Are you overwhelmed on where you should go and who you should turn to in order to learn your religion? Now imagine that everything you need to know about Islam is found in one place, which you or your family can easily access with one click of a button. Would you not do so? Al-Jumuah has been providing Islamic content for Muslims for years through its print magazine and its website. Al-Jumuah is now in its 27th year of operation, and it may well be the oldest non-institutional Islamic dawah organization from which more than 1 million people in more than 100 countries have benefited from. Al-Jumuah is now launching a membership site. Now you may ask, why launch a membership site that will charge money? The answer is quite simple. In order to keep continuing our dawah activities, we need your support to spread Islam. We just simply didn't want to ask our Muslim community to give us money without us also offering them something in return. And so we are launching a membership site to give back to those who support us. Now this does not mean that Al-Jumuah will no longer offer free content, which has always been our mission and will always continue to be so. By joining the membership site, not only will you be part of helping the spread of Islam as we continue our work, but you will also have access to a wealth of Islamic articles, videos, audios, among other things. Scholars of various backgrounds have appreciated our organization, such as Dr. Bilal Phillips, Sheikh Assam Al-Hakim, just to name a few of them. Remember that Al-Jumuah has always been a community dawah organization, and we will continue to be so. And we are looking at our community to assist us in continuing our work for a small membership fee. Our membership fee will be equivalent to the cost of 2 cups of coffee a month, which will translate to heaps of reward for you on the Day of Judgment. So please subscribe to our site and let's spread the message of Islam together.